Welcome! In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch GT 4 and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the ringtone volume on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the crown button. After you wake up the screen, you can press the crown button again to open the menu. Now, scroll through the menu, find the settings icon, and once you find the settings icon, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, scroll through the menu, find the option called sounds and vibration, and once you find it, tap on it to enter. And here, find the option called ringtone. And once you find it, tap on it. And now we can adjust the ringtone volume by swiping up and down on the slider. And once you're done, you can swipe right on the screen to go back. And one more thing you can adjust is workout broadcast sound. And then you can press the crown button to go back to watch face. And that's how you adjust the ringtone volume on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.